Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
In the shadow of escalating trade tensions between Beijing and Washington, a critical supply chain rupture is brewing that could strike at the heart of Europe's electric vehicle industry. China's dominance over rare earths, a crucial component in electric motors, is set to leave European manufacturers reeling in just weeks. Our top story tonight: how China's grip on the global market for these vital minerals is putting Europe's EV production at risk. We're talking about neodymium, the key material found in permanent magnets that power those sleek and efficient electric motors. Without it, the entire ecosystem of European car manufacturing could come grinding to a halt. According to a report by Burrells by Alex Partners, European suppliers are operating on a hair-trigger margin. With stockpiles expected to run dry within 5 to 6 weeks, analysts warn that production lines may be forced to shut down by mid-June. Now, you might wonder why China's export restrictions haven't caused more alarm bells to ring in Europe's automotive sector. After all, it's not exactly a new phenomenon for China to dominate the rare earth market. But what's different this time is the speed and scale of the impact on global supply chains. The ripple effects are being felt across Europe's tightly woven manufacturing networks, where just-in-time logistics models leave even short disruptions in supply vulnerable to bringing entire production lines to a standstill. We're seeing echoes of the semiconductor shortage that crippled global manufacturing back in 2022, when an invisible component brought powerful industries to their knees. Now, it's those obscure but irreplaceable rare earth minerals threatening to do the same. European governments are scrambling to respond with emergency options like tapping into strategic reserves or easing import routes from countries like Japan. But despite these efforts, the EU remains remarkably slow to react, not unlike last December when China imposed restrictions on the export of gallium, germanium, and antimony. That earlier episode failed to trigger the kind of contingency planning that might have buffered this current crisis. As we speak, no concrete actions are being announced. For the EU, the implications of China's new export licensing rules go far beyond electric cars. They extend to the broader vision of a decarbonized economy heavily reliant on clean technologies that use rare earths. Without swift and decisive action from European manufacturers, policymakers, or regulators, it seems like they may soon find themselves at the mercy of a supply chain they cannot control, one that they didn't start. As the stakes rise in Europe's electric vehicle industry, we'll be keeping a close eye on this developing story. Stay tuned for further updates and analysis from our team here at Electro Drive News. That's all for tonight.